hence same as it is, we have to take the small elemental area of dA having a temperature difference of theta. Theta 1 is the temperature difference at inlet and theta 2 is the temperature difference at the outlet. Same notations have to used for the same as it is for the parallel flow heat exchanger. So same notations we have to use it. And now, but look at it, in a parallel flow theta 1 is equal to Thi minus Tc1, but observe that here Thi minus Tc0, this is called as theta 1 and this is called as theta 2. That is the difference between the parallel flow as well as the counter flow. So theta 2 is now called as Th0 minus Tci. So now I already told that the different method should be same for the both parallel and counter flow heat exchanger. Now same by energy balance equation, heat energy gained by the hot fluid is equal to heat energy gained by the cold fluid. So I already repeated once again. So look at it, Thi minus Tc0, that's why not taking the minus sign. This is the same equation. Ch and Cc, same equation number 1. So, or the heat capacity, write the equation. So for a small elemental area dA, so dq is equal to minus of mh into Cph into dTh. Because of this product will become negative sign. So that's why it is. So dq is equal to minus mc Cpc into dTc. You can ask a question, sir, why you are taking the negative sign for the cold fluid in the counter flow, but observe that in a parallel flow I'll taking the look at it. You can ask a question, sir, why you are taking that here okay negative sign, but why you are taking that here positive for the parallel flow, but here we are to taking the negative sign for the counter flow because of it is flows in the opposite direction. So for that one opposite direction, so that's why taken as negative sign. So that is minus dc. This is the difference between the parallel and counter flow heat exchanger derivation. For the parallel flow this will become positive, but for the counter flow this will become negative, only the difference. So hence we using these two equations can write a dTh is equal to minus dq by ch and dTc is equal to dq by cc. So this is equal to equation number 2 and 3. From equation number 2, for a small elemental area dq is equal to u into d into that is theta d theta. So hence this is the called as u dA theta, equation 4. So theta is equal to Th minus Tc as per the shown in a diagram. Look at it, this is the theta we call as dTh minus dTc. So this is called as d theta. So hence d theta is equal to dH minus dTc. And now similarly look at it, d theta is equal to minus of dH is called as minus dq by ch, and minus of this is the minus, so dq by cc. So hence if you minus taking a common, minus dq by 1 by ch and minus of 1 by cc. Look at it, this is positive, but with a negative sign will be taken into account, this is going to become minus. So hence next one we go for the same equation number 4, that is called as dq is equal to u into dA into theta. So hence substitute here d theta is equal to minus u dA theta into 1 by ch minus 1 by cc. So this is also minus as it is. So integrating these two equations, getting the from inlet to outlet, integration should be same. I'll directly write it here, ln of theta 2 divided by theta 1 minus ua into 1 by ch in plus 1 by cc. So from equation number 1, that is called as q is equal to mh Cph into Thi minus Tc0. Within that we have to take into account of 1 by ch as a 1, Thi minus T0 divided by q, and similarly for 1 by cc is equal to Tc0 minus Tci divided by q. So hence substitute these two value into this equation, we getting that ln of theta 2 divided by theta 1 is equal to minus ua into Thi minus Tc0 divided by q minus Tc0 minus Tci divided by q. So within that q is a common in the numerator, taken out, and just Thi minus Tc0 minus Tci minus plus Tci. So hence minus us divided by theta is equal to Thi minus Tc0. I'll alter that this one as well as this one, Thi minus Tc0 minus of if you're taking a minus, this become positive, TH naught, this become negative minus TCI. So hence after that we go for the that is become ln of minus UAS divided by T, where we called as, we already write it here, THI minus TC naught. THI minus TC naught, look at here, THI minus TC naught called as theta 1, and TH naught minus TCI is the theta 2. So I'll write it here. So look at it, that is the theta 1 minus theta 2 as it is. If you minus transfer into this inside, so sorry, this will transfer to this side, so this will become theta minus of ln theta 2 divided by theta 1. So ln of theta 1 by theta 2 is equal to UAS divided by Q and theta 1 minus theta 2. So Q is equal to UAS theta 1 minus theta 2 ln of theta 1 minus theta 2. So the above equation in the form of this one. So this is the called as LMTD, and observe that LMTD formula for the both parallel and counter flow should be same. So this is the called equation called as LMTD method for the counter flow heat exchanger. Thank you.